to the channel. So tonight I'm on another little venture out, and I've just met up with Glenn from Astrobloke. We're going to go down to some old wrecked boats here on the River Orwell. So we're just waiting for the tide to go out. Low tide is at around 8:15, so we've got about an hour to wait. And then we're going to get out there and hopefully get a Milky Way and possibly a star trail over these wrecked boats. Here he is. Have you got all your gear?
Why have you got one Wellington boot on and one trainer?
That's a good question. I started, but then I picked the camera up and said, I am going to put the other welly on, don't worry.
Are you sure you're not going in trainers?
I probably would get a bit muddy, wouldn't I?
It's an interesting look you're going for there.
Yeah, that really is, isn't it?
You rappers, you do set trends.
Yeah, mate, I'm going to put the other welly on right now. Still, this is going to be an interesting journey down to the river where we're going.
Yeah. What gear have you brought with you tonight?
I've got 2 DSLRs.
Same.
I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to hopefully do Milky Way over the wrecked boats.
Nice.
And possibly even a star trail.
Got both my DSLRs. I've got the 3D OG star tracker.
Yep.
Going to use that to do some track shots, and I can do an intervalometer auto with my EOS R.
Yeah.
And I've also on my back got the Vespera Pro.
Nice.
So I'll put that up as
Very
well.
nice.
And I've got the OBSI opening if it clears.
Yeah, well, look.
Simon, where's your magnet?
Let me show you. Hang on.
He stuck it.
When I say where's the magnet,
Yeah.
you got to remember it's here. Look. I stuck it on the side of the van.
Right.
Don't let me forget.
That's video evidence.
Yeah.
We'll both not remember.
Yeah. We'll never see it again.
Alzheimer's Astro.
Yeah. Right.
Right. Okay. We're going to take a walk now down to the river and scope out the area that Simon did a recce of in the daytime. He reckons it's a recce he come down and done, but really it was pub crawling. I know it was at the pub.
Yeah.
At the pub.
It's a nice pub here. It's very nice. We've had a nice meal.
Yeah.
And a pint or two, so it's good.
Sounds like it'd be rude not to.
Absolutely.
Right, let's go then.
Right. So we've arrived at the area where we have to step over this little barrier, and then we go over there. That's where the boats are. Doesn't help, it's just started to rain. It's supposed to be, it's raining, Glenn. So we have some fireworks over there now. That's all we need. Right, so I'm going to position my tripod here in the mud, and I've got the Nomad star tracker on here, and I'm now going to polar line that with my laser pen. Fireworks are going mad over there. Right, there's a break in the clouds, so with a bit of luck I might be able to get polar lined. So let's just get this laser on. I'm not entirely sure which one is Polaris. Let's see. I'll get my app out. Well, that's where it is, behind that bank of cloud. Let's just spin this round to get it pointing roughly the direction. That's pretty much where it is. So just need to wait until the clouds go, and then we'll get polar lined. Right, Polaris is back. That's there, mate.
Yeah, I'm on it.
That's good. It's good enough. Let's switch off. Right. So we are polar aligned. Now the fun part is getting the camera on without dropping it in the mud. So let's do that. This is when you don't want to open your bag and something falls out. Lens cap off. Safely in my pocket. That's actually a nice, that's a lovely composition.
All right, mate.
Hello, mate.
How's it going?
Good. Just taking a test shot.
Let's have a little look.
Just see how that come up. They're going to pop up on the screen. Composition, not bad.
Oh, I like that.
Loads of cloud though.
Yeah, a lot of cloud at the moment.
Too much cloud, but composition wise, when that cloud go, I think I'll be alright.
Look.
I might just turn it round to the right a bit more to centre all the boats up a bit. They're a bit too far to the right.
I like that, yeah, it's nice. Mate.
Yeah, I'm going to just turn it round.
I'm a bit further away. What are you, 24 mil?
12.
12?
I'm on 12 mil, mate.
I'm 14, not mine was wide.
Well, I was 14.
68?
68, yeah.
That's APS-C, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah, I'm full frame.
Yeah, I'm not. So mine is zoomed in a bit.
What ISO was you looking at that on, Simon?
That was 1600 f4, 6 seconds. But I'm going to change it. I might give it 8 seconds.
Yeah, come and have a look at this then, see what you think of this. I'm just going to turn my lights off. That's 3200 at 6 seconds.
Okay. Oh, that's a lovely shot, mate. Cool. Yeah, I love the wide expanse on the foreground there. It's really nice.
I'm going to go for that, I think.
Yeah, I would. Right, so I've just had to put my lens caps on because it started to rain again, which is typical. Just get your gear set up. It's not supposed to be raining, but hopefully it's just a passing shower. But if it gets too much more, I might have to take the camera in somewhere because it's starting to get a bit of water on it. Not good. Well, unfortunately, the rain is a bit heavier than I would have liked. We've got to wait probably another hour, I'm guessing. So I'm just going to put the cameras away because the gear is starting to get a bit wet. That's Astro for you, Glenn. Right, I'm going to start again to get my cameras out. The rain is gone. The clouds are clearing. Let's get this on again. Lens cap off. It's looking good. I'm going to take a test shot now and see how it looks. Let's just check this is still okay because I've been moving it around a little bit. It's looking good. Looking nice. Right, okay. So, my settings for this rig here. This is the Canon 60DA and it's on the Nomad Star Tracker. And my settings are, at the moment, I may change it, but it's on ISO 1600 f4 and I'm doing 8 seconds. So I'm going to get the intervalometer to basically run until I decide to stop it. So we'll see how many of those subs I can get. And this is hopefully going to pick up the Milky Way over the barges here, or boats, whatever they are. But yeah, the composition I think is fine. Looking good. Right, let's get the next one set up. So you can't see me. Focus on me. That's better. Okay. Right, so finally I've got both my DSLRs working. I've got the Canon 60DA, which is doing a time lapse of the Milky Way, hopefully, over the top of these two boats here. And I've got my Canon 7D Mark II, which is doing another time lapse, which I'm hoping to turn into a star trail. Hopefully everything will work fine. Oh, and yeah, the observatory at home should be working as well. I'm just going to quickly check my camera, see if the roof did roll off. Let's have a look here. Says it's safe. The cloud watcher is letting the rig run. He says he's safe, so that's good. Okay, I'll check it out later. Well, everything is working so far. I forgot to bring my hand warmers and my hands are freezing, but I'm going to stick it out for another hour or so. The tide doesn't come in for a good few hours, so we're safe. Hopefully we're going to get a nice image out of this, but it is cold. Well, I think we're come to the end of the night now. It's so cold here, my feet are cold, I'm standing in mud all the time. I think I've got enough subs to make a reasonable image, hopefully, so we're going to wrap this up shortly and pack everything away and make our way home. Although on the way home we're going to stop off and get a coffee because it is so cold we need to warm up. Right, we are ready to rock and roll. Let's get up, climb up this hill. Don't slip over. Christ. See where you're going?
I am, I'm there.
Hold on, I'll lead the way. Right. So, we're heading off to get a coffee now. So it's another night done. So we're now back on solid ground. Here's the pub. We're now just going to walk up to the car park and head home. Back to the van. Bags off my shoulders. And there's another tripod. Oh, covered in mud. Stick that over there. Okay. Get these boots off and get my shoes on. Okay, time for a coffee. I remembered where it is. Just getting my magnet off.
Oh, good man. Right, you lead the way.
Yep, I'll lead the way.